All right, if your business already uses websites, apps, databases, spreadsheets, or software tools, and you want to add AI without rebuilding everything from scratch, yeah. Cloud AI integration is the solution. In this full guide, I'll show you how to integrate cloud AI with existing systems in 2026, step by step. First, understand what cloud AI integration actually is. It means connecting AI services to your current software, websites, databases, or workflows so automation and intelligence can work together. Now, list the systems your business already uses. This could include CRMs, inventory systems, customer support tools, calendars, spreadsheets, websites, or mobile apps. Before integrating anything, define the automation goals clearly. For example, customer support, data analysis, chatbot automation, report generation, scheduling, or content creation. Different cloud AI platforms specialize in different tasks. Some focus on language models, others focus on analytics, automation, speech recognition, or image processing. AI works best when humans still supervise important decisions and workflows. And yeah, that's how you integrate cloud AI with existing systems in 2026. Once your tools and workflows connect properly with AI, businesses can automate tasks, improve efficiency, and scale operations much faster.